start accessorizing the Bronco, starting with a Roush exhaust system. Pulling it over the shop here to get our first Bronco mods. All right, here it is right here, the Roush high clearance exhaust for the 2.3 Ford Bronco. Now, as an authorized Roush dealer, one of the things my parts guy told me that I thought was really cool is this packaging tape. Roush has their own special tape on their boxes that if this tape's damaged, we're not allowed to even accept the shipment when it comes in. So that's really cool. So with here, we got the Bronco up in the air, and this is the stock system. All right, so we had to get the rear bumper off. It's like a little Raptor. It reminds me of the Focus RS. The new mod, so psyched for that. So, since the shop's nice and quiet, everybody's gone home for the day, I want to do an audio clip here. Shop. Get some driving audio clips. So I'm cruising along 39 miles an hour. This is purring like a kitten. It sounds really good. All right, so I'm getting on an on-ramp now. The wind noise begins to override the exhaust noise at like 75. So here we are, set the cruise, 65, okay, 6th gear, 65. I feel like the wind noise, yeah, it's nice. There's a little bit of a drone, but it's really minor. Sounds more like I say this really makes this cabin and the exhaust note in the inside of the Bronco sound like the Focus RS. It's what it sounds like to me. Psyched. Highly recommend the Roush axle back exhaust for your 2.3 Bronco. Make it sound like a baby Raptor. Slow down for the cows. That's right, Boise, Idaho. Cows on my drive home.